What is this ChatGPT everyone talking about? This chat is a variant of the GPT language model, which was developed by OpenAI. It is a machine learning model that has been trained to generate human-like text. The main purpose of it is to enable the creation of chatbots that can engage in natural, human-like conversations with users. It works by taking in a sequence of words as input and then generating a response. This allows this super-trained model to understand the context of a conversation you are having with him and generate appropriate responses. How cool is that? For example, suppose a user asks the chatbot a question about a specific topic. In that case, it can generate a response that provides information about that topic. It is more than just a search engine because it can engage in a conversation about your topic and follow the conversation you have with it. It can also recognize certain keywords and use them to generate more specific responses. Well, it can even write your resume, help you with this tough home assignment you have, or even write lines of code you need. In order to achieve this, ChatGPT was trained on huge data sets of text sources, including articles, books, websites, and more. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for creating chatbots that can engage in natural, human-like conversations with users. It is an essential progress in natural language processing and has many potential applications in customer service, education, entertainment, and more. And we will probably hear more about it in the future. Don't miss. For more great technology content, subscribe to the Tech Vibe channel.